Hello YouTube and welcome back to the channel. Today I am standing in front of the Keimyung University Dongsan Hospital here in Daegue, Korea. I am doing a video and a walkthrough of the hospital, so if you're curious to see what the inside of a Korean hospital looks like, stay tuned. You're going to see that inside, and this is a very nice hospital here in Korea. As you can see, it's like 18 stories tall, so if you're in the military, you're in area 4. This is probably one of the hospitals you will be referred to. So stick around, see the inside of the hospital, the layout, and how to navigate the hospital. Alright guys, so this is the view driving up to the hospital. You're going to turn into it and then make this immediate right. And that's the area where you pay at for parking. And then you're going to go down below the hospital in the parking garage. And there's, I think, 4 or 5 basement floors down, and usually I have to park on the 3rd floor because the parking's full on the 1st and 2nd. So I just took this video inside my car, so the angle, you know, it's a different angle of the camera angle is different. But anyway, you get an idea of driving down into the basement. You know, it's like any other Korean car garage. It's really packed, not a lot of room, but enough room to drive around safely. So once we get to the parking spot, then I'll walk you through the next steps of entering the building. Alright guys, so right now we are in the Dongsan Hospital. It is in Daegu, and I was going to do a quick video. I don't know how much they'll let me record inside the hospital. They may say something to me, but I'm going to try. So right now we're in the parking garage, and as you can see, it's really well lit up. In order to get here, I just typed in Naver. If you're in the military and you're coming to Korea, download the Naver app. It's way better than Waze. So Naver, punch in this hospital, Dongsan Hospital. It'll take you right to the parking garage where I am now. This is my beautiful car. As you can see, it's not as nice as the other cars, but it works. All right, that's all that matters. So it'll take you to the parking garage, and then you'll come down, and I'll show you how to navigate to the escalator that'll take you up to the beginning area of the, look at this BMW. Isn't that a nice BMW? I really like that BMW. So let's go upstairs. Hey, that's an old car like mine. Okay, see? And everything's labeled, as you can see, the exits. So like they're in English and in Korean, so that's really helpful. But this is where we're going to go. You're trying to find basically the center of the parking garage. Oh, look at that. A little beetle bug. You don't see those cars very often. And it says right here, see, we're in B3, basement 3, escalator right here. So we're just gonna go in that area. Just real quick, I was going to show you, you can pay here for your parking, but if you're an American and they refer you here off base, they'll give you a little slip. So when you leave, you can just scan the slip when you exit the parking garage, and it covers your payment. But you can see here is a map. You can find your car. You punch in your license plate number, it'll tell you where your car is. Parking fee. 4 digits of your license plate number. This is the hospital here. So, yeah. When you come in, it scans your license plate, and then you just punch in the number, and it'll tell you where your car is parked. So that's pretty cool. So this is basement 1 floor, and as you can see, there's food. This hospital is really nice, right? They got food right here. They got Paris, baguettes, bagel shop, different little food and drinks. I'm not sure what all that stuff is. We're gonna go up to the main floor, see right here where we are now. You can connect to the train station, the subway. Everything's in English and in Korean, so really helpful. Let's go up one more floor to the main entrance. So this is the main floor where you'll go to the international area of the hospital, and I'll show you where that is. I just wanted to show you how elaborate this hospital is. There's an information desk right here if you need information. Basically, you'll come up the escalators and you'll take a right. And if you were to get dropped off by taxi, you would come in through these front doors here. So you're gonna come over here and go to right through here. It says international healthcare. So you're gonna come here. And then you're gonna come to this area. I'm gonna shut the camera off here because I know there's HIPAA, but you can see it says international healthcare. It's really easy to find once you get here, so that's where you come. So once you walk in that room, this is what the desks look like, and the attendants here all speak English, so it's really helpful. They have a nice little seating area, as you can see. There's some magazines and stuff. There's a TV in there. They also have some water and some coffee there for you to make if you're thirsty, or little snacks there to eat on. Once you get checked in, the assistant will give you a piece of paper like this, and it has your appointment slip, and then she'll tell you where to go. And today she just let me find the place on my own. I knew where it was, but it was on the 2nd floor. And I used these pillars located all around the hospital to really identify where everything's located, so those come in really handy. Once I found my location here at the gastrology room, these are what all the rooms, the waiting rooms, look like. They're all pretty much the same. You just walk through it. Once you walk into the waiting room here, you'll go to the front desk, and there will be some Koreans there, and they'll write a number on your paper. My number was 2, which corresponds with the room. And you can see there's room number 2 right there. And then on this screen, you see number 2. you look down and you'll see your name pop up on this monitor. So as long as you follow the screens and look at the monitors and track them, your name will come up. And then as it gets closer to you actually going into the room, your name comes up on this screen, and you just stand by, hand the lady your paperwork, and walk into your room for whatever your appointment is. So that's pretty much it for the hospital. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and let you see what it's like inside this hospital. This is really the best hospital I've been to in Daegu. I'm sure all their services are really good. These are some of the paintings and art around the hospital. As you can see, it's a really nice hospital. So let me know in the comments if you like videos like this that kind of show how to navigate certain things here in Korea, and I can do more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.